Hey everyone, this is just a quick video about the OM-1 and using the problem with using the Viltrox adapter, the EF-M2 Mark II. Really, any adapter, honestly, just because the lip on the OM-1 is much thicker than the one that's on the EM-1. Now, to actually get the adapter on, what I've had to do is align it exactly in a certain spot and position, and then I kind of have to dance around, like kind of jiggle it, but like you can see that it's hitting the lip, and I can't actually push it in further to actually get to where it needs to be. So I kind of have to do this. I have to just jiggle it until it can, and then really push it in, and then it'll actually get in. This is kind of why I didn't want to use this adapter anymore or adapt anything anymore. And you kind of just do the reverse of it when you're taking it out. So yeah, you just undo it, and then you have to like find this little spot that it can actually come out. It's extremely annoying, and yeah, I definitely don't recommend any other adapters on the OM-1. Now, if you compare it to using the EM-1 Mark II, the EM-1 Mark II clearly has a much smaller lip. Right, it is a smaller camera in general as well. Kind of why, one of the reasons why I kind of sold the OM-1. I'm just more comfortable with the EM-1, but if you look, it just slides right in, just exactly how it's made. No wiggling, no pulling, pushing, or any play. Just goes right in. So yeah, that's it. Don't use any of these adapters on the OM-1. Hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.